Look at this beautiful load of low beef cross calves going to the sale barn today. Last week we sent 11. This week we got 9 going. They look really, really good. So of course we're a dairy farm. We have no need for beef calves or like beef calves or bull calves. So beef calves are a more profitable calf for us to sell than just a dairy bull calf, whether it be a Holstein or a Jersey. So we utilize quite a bit of beef sex semen. And these calves will be bought by another farmer and will be fed out and raised to be like 1,400 pounds, 1,200, 1,400 pounds. So